Good morning, students. Myself, Subodh sir. Today is the class of Standard 7 Geography. In Geography, today we will discuss Chapter 2. And that Chapter 2 is Inside Our Earth. These are things that inspire us to understand or think what happening inside our earth. Is earth the same as it is seen from the top layer, or something is different? This curiosity has made our geographers and scientists to find out about the structure of the earth. In this chapter, we will discuss about the structure of the earth as well as formation of rocks. Two basic things that we have to discuss into it. One is a structure of the earth, and second, the formation of rocks. Why the formation of rocks we will discuss, we will come to understand it when we proceed. Let us first discuss about the structure of the earth. Is it the same as it is seen from the top layer, or it is different? A roughly diagram, if we draw it, I have told you roughly diagram. This roughly diagram for the region that earth is not as spherical as I have drawn roughly. It is just flat at the top and the bottoms. At the both pole, दोनों pole पे चिपटा है, थोड़ा सा चिपटा है. We take the shape of the orange. It is not so round, so it is flat at the top. So its shape is like that. But to understand, we have drawn it is in the shape of the spherical forms when you are asked to draw the diagram of the earth and interior of the earth. Since it is the form of a sphere, we know that mathematics that there must have its radius. So if we draw its center, it means this is the center of the earth, this part is the radius of the earth. Actual radius of the earth is 6,371 kilometers. But we take it as the 6,400 kilometers. For the each of the calculations, we will go in the higher classes. We take it as the 6,400 roughly, 29 kilometers का difference. It may be plus minus हो सकता है, because there is no one who has gone deep interior of the earth, because no one can go, because we know that as we go inside, the temperature increases. So it is difficult, but it has been estimated from the rocks that has come out, and accordingly the materials that have come out, accordingly that it has been simply given an idea. What is the different layers? It is basically divided into three layers. Earth is not a single part. It has been divided. We can divide it into basically three parts. These parts further can be divided, but basically three parts. For your constructions also it becomes easy. Out of 6,371, or we can say 6,400 kilometers, what are the first part from the interiors? इसमें से पहला, just take when you are drawing the diagram in your copy, a little bit just If it is 6 centimeter, take the 3 centimeter or little bit above 3 centimeters, थोड़ा सा ज्यादा, मतलब कि हाफ से थोड़ा सा ज्यादा, थोड़ा सा मतलब बहुत ज्यादा नहीं कर देना, थोड़ा सा. It is the, if we say it is coming half over here, so we draw a थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ गया. It is 6 kilometers. It has two parts. First, basically, it is O. O. जो इंटीरियर पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ, आउट ऑफ 6,371, approximately it is 3,486. If we convert it, it comes around 54%. That's why I have asked you 50% से थोड़ा सा ज्यादा. That's why I asked to draw it. Then the core from here to here, थोड़ा सा जगह छोड़ दो यार, एकदम बहुत ही बारीक पतला. ये टोटल आ जाता है हमारा 2,885 किलोमीटर प्लस और माइनस. ये आपका हो गया मेंटल. और ये जो सबसे ऊपर वाला पार्ट दिखाई दे रहा है, कंपैरिजन टू दिस वन इट इज वेरी थिन. अब अगर यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा कर दिया जाए, यहाँ पर ओशियन, तो यहाँ पर जो होगा ये वाला ओशियन करके इट इज 5 किलोमीटर्स एट द ओशियन बेड. ओशियन बेड, जहां पर ओशियन का निचला पार्ट है, उसकी थिकनेस इज अराउंड 5 किलोमीटर्स. बट जो कॉन्टिनेंटल जहां हम लोग रह रहे हैं, ये एवरेज मूव फ्रॉम 30 टू 40 kilometers. Continental belt. But average we take it as the 35 kilometers. That means we find the earth has the basic 3 layers. What is basic 3 layers? First is from inside to outside, crust, mantle, and this outer surface, it is called your crust. Crust, mantle, core, outside to inside, crust, mantle, core, or inside to outside, core, mantle, crust. It depends on you how are you writing it, how are you expressing it, because it is basically the 3 layers. And from where you have been asked, whether it is the layers are from inside to outside or from outside to inside. If we are talking about it from outside to inside, the first layer is crust, in between it is mantle, then it is the core. And if we are talking about from inside to outside, तो change हो जाएगा, core, mantle and crust. These 3 layers. Now, is their composition is the same or the different? People will say, sir, different ही होगा. क्यों different होगा? सर नाम आपने अलग अलग दे दिया है ना. एक नाम रहता तो सब समझते कि एक ही है. Since you have given the 3 different names, then their compositions might be different. Why should we give the 3 different names? If it is the composition is the same, the obvious. Intelligent students, I know it. तुमको पता चल गया कि नाम तो अलग अलग है, इसका कंपोजिशन भी डिफरेंट ही होगा. Actually, ऊपर से चलता है। ये जो क्रस्ट which is considered lithosphere, I'm not talking about the lithosphere, don't get lithosphere का average thickness 100 kilometers है, if you read somewhere don't get it. lithosphere जो सबसे टॉप लेयर है उसका thickness 100 kilometers, but we are talking about the crust, the uppermost layer. It is 5 at the oceanic bed, 5 kilometers at the oceanic bed and 30 to 40 kilometers at the continental sides, but we take average 35 kilometers. इतना ही, मतलब कि इसके नीचे अगर चला जाए 35 kilometers नीचे तो हम मेंटल में पहुंच जाएंगे. Is it possible by digging it? Not possible. हम उतना ज्यादा डिग कर ही नहीं सकते. We don't have any resource or equipment that can dig so deep inside the earth. It has been tried. लोग हैं ना, बहुत सोचते रहते हैं, करते ही रहते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा डीप नहीं गए. 2 किलोमीटर के आसपास वो डीप में गया, उससे ज्यादा डीप नहीं गया. Human being, I'm not talking about the, you will say asking sir, वो मैरियाना ट्रेंच है, इतना गहरा है, ओशियन इतना, human being and we start digging at the continental side, continental bed, how deep we can do it, कितना डीप जा सकते हैं. And for your further information, as we go inside the earth, temperature increases. पढ़ेंगे हम भी ट्रोपोस्फीयर में, एयर वाले चैप्टर में, यहाँ ऊपर बढ़ेंगे तो टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज होती है. बट एट ए टाइम टेम्परेचर इंक्रीजेस एज वी गो इनसाइड, डीप इनसाइड द. चलो अब स्टार्ट करते हैं क्रस्ट से. Crust. What the crust is made up of? It has been divided into two parts. First is upper crust. Crust का जो ऊपरी हिस्सा है, and second is lower crust. One, we are talking about the upper crust. Second, we are talking about the lower crust. थोड़ा सा difference है, that's why I have written it. Upper crust, सियाल, थोड़ा सा नया वर्ड लग रहा है, सियाल. Actually, it is a combination. First 2 letters, another minerals. Second 2 letters, another minerals. It stands for SI stands for silica and M stands for aluminum. It is made of silica and aluminum. And the lower part, lower crust, it is made up of sema. I have underlined it. It is made up of silica and magnesium. केमिस्ट्री नहीं है. बोलोगे सर मैग्नीशियम का तो Mg हो जाता है, पढ़ा है, सुना है, आपने तो एमए लिखा. हम अपने मैग्नीशियम का फर्स्ट लेटर टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड, टू मेक यू लर्निंग दिस ज्योग्राफी इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द केमिस्ट्री. तो वी हैव रिटन द सिलिका एंड मैग्नीशियम. हियर वी हैव रिटन सिलिका एंड एल्युमिनियम. द अपर क्रस्ट ऑफ द अर्थ, it is made up of Cr, means silica and aluminum, and lower crust is made up of Sema, it is silica and magnesium. जो अपर क्रस्ट जिस पर हम लोग रहते हैं, it also has the soil which support the agriculture and it also provide the shelter and food for different variety of animals. Now silica and aluminum, silica and magnesium that we have got. We will discuss how to draw it. If you go beneath it, just crust के नीचे, what comes just below the crust? Just below the crust, it is metal. ये parts metal. Na, कभी कभी Ne नहीं सोच लेना है, भगवान भी बनाते हैं तो कुछ ऐसे बना देते हैं, इसे बदले. It is metal. The composition has been studied, the materials that came out. It has been found that it is made of silicate rocks, because no one can go inside. Then how one is able to understand? Still we don't have the much information. The information I do have, it is the lava or magma that comes onto the earth's surface. It is the silicate rocks, it is in the molten, viscous molten state. Viscous molten state. Viscous क्या होता है? गाढ़ा टाइप का होता है. लिक्विड फ्लो, पानी डालेंगे तो बहना शुरू हो जाएगा. In the same way, if you keep the honey, it also flow. What is the basic difference between these two? Honey has more thickness, more viscosity than the water. It is the new word that I am introducing it, and you will read in the higher classes in the chemistry what is the viscosity. It is viscous, चिपचिपा, गाढ़ा टाइप का. When the fossil fuels are taken out, they are also viscous, काला होता है, गाढ़ा होता है, बहुत स्मेली होता है. उससे हम different types of fuel, पेट्रोल है, डीजल है, गैसोलीन है, केरोसिन है, वैक्स है, ये निकालते हैं. It means two things that we have got. One is metal, it is in the semi-solid or can say viscous liquid state, गाढ़ा state. In science subject you will read it out. Transfer of heat energy. When the heat energy is transferred, it produces a convection current. In convection current, the hotter parts rises up, colder parts sink. पानी गर्म करोगे, देखोगे बुलबुला आ रहा. ये बुलबुला कहाँ से? तो नीचे जो गैस है वो ऊपर आ रही. तो it continuously do it. Hotter part rises up and colder part sink. We have discussed about the metal. It means we have discussed about the crust, we have discussed about the metal, then the crust, metal, third part is our core. Basically, core is made up of knife. Spelling बोलने में तो knife लगेगा, KNIFE मस्त सोच लेना. वो KNIFE चाकू हो जाता है. It is also the same that we have discussed earlier. Combination of two, एक Ni हो जाएगा, एक Fe हो जाएगा. Now chemistry again comes. फिर chemistry है. Ni for nickel, Ne for ferrous means iron. Nickel and iron. It is core is made of nickel and iron. We can write it down. Nickel and iron. Fe in chemistry it is written ferrous. आयरन को केमिस्ट्री में के वर्ड में लैंग्वेज में फेरस बोलते हैं. Fe उसका सिंबल है. तो ये आयरन, निकल एंड आयरन. it is in the solid state. Yes, solid. It means say this one is the solid, this one is the solid. This is not the pure solid state. ये pure solid नहीं है, ये semi viscous है. That's why convection current is taking place into it. And what is the convection current? Once again, the hotter parts rises up and colder part sink. ये continuously होता रहता है. In science you will read out. Why the exhaust is kept at the top? कि गर्म हवा ऊपर जाएगी, एग्जॉस्ट निकाल देगा नीचे. क्यों नहीं रखते ऊपर? क्यों रखते हो? गर्म हवा ऊपर जाएगी. AC are kept at the top. It gives the cool air, and cool air is heavier than the warm air. तो cool air sink, वो नीचे आ रहा है, and make the circulate. So AC has been kept. फ्रीज में देखोगे, साइंस में पढ़ोगे. In freeze, freezers are kept at the top of the fridge. Science. We don't need to go deep inside the science or chemistry and physics. We have to go that the convection current take place. Why the convection I am emphasizing it? Because in higher classes you will read what the role the convection current play. The different types of shapes that have been formed onto the earth. Even in this class, in the next chapters, we will discuss on different types of shapes that has been formed. Mountain formed, then valley has been formed, then different shapes have been formed. How these different shapes have been formed, that we will discuss. So we have got 3 layers. From outside to inside, if we go, we find it is the crust, it is the mantle, and it is the core. Crust I have classified into 2 groups. It is made of sial and sima. It is made up of sial and sima. Sial stands for silica and aluminium, and sima stands for silica and magnesium. The mantle is molten state. It is made up of generally silicate rocks compositions. Then the core is made of nickel and iron. Now question comes. Suppose if you have been asked simply to draw the structure of the interior of the earth, how will you draw it? Whatever radius do you take, listen very carefully. Whatever radius do you take, because if the diagram is much bigger, it doesn't look very good. It is so small, then again it doesn't look very good. Then what should be the size, average size? You may take it, choose 3 cm radius or 4 cm radius. If you are taking 4 cm radius or let us 3 cm radius, the core should be constructed a little bit more, ज़्यादा नहीं, थोड़ा सा, little bit more than the half. अगर आपने 2 सेंटीमीटर का लिया है, सॉरी 4 सेंटीमीटर का लिया है, तो जो कोर होगा 2.1 या 2.2 सेंटीमीटर का लीजिए, and just draw an arc. And if we comparison, if we very less, if we consider this 30 to 40 kilometers, तो थोड़ा सा जगह विजिबिलिटी आ जाए, अंडरस्टैंड हो जाए, just take 2 or 3 points, leave it, and then draw it. It is 4 centimeter, then better 3.8 centimeter or 3.7 centimeter, measure it and then draw the arc. Let us say it is 4 centimeters, then draw 2.1 or 2.2 centimeter, this one, and 3.7 or 8, just drawing it, you can see which one is the more visible, 7 or 8. Then draw the handle. It has been classified, the interior part, it is your core, then the middle part, it is your mantle, then upper part, it is a crust. we people express our feeling, our understanding by color also. कैसा हो सकता है कलर? कलर के लिए अब I just see what is the color of nickel. Nickel, chromium, I got most things. Iron. It means it is a reddish brown. It means we should try to just color it reddish brown. या ब्राउन कलर आपका पेंसिल होगा, उससे इसको कलर कर देंगे. ये नाइफ हो गया, निकल एंड फेरस, मतलब ये सॉलिड स्टेट में है, इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ. नाउ इट इज कम मेंटल. इन मेंटल इट इज ऑरेंज टू येलो. तो ऑरेंज टू येलो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन सोच नीचे पार्ट थोड़ा सा डीप कलर होता है, ऊपर वाला पार्ट थोड़ा सा लाइट कलर होता है. तो थोड़ा सा मिक्स करो, बीच में आधा ऑरेंज और ऊपर येलो. लेकिन दोनों में ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि एक लाइन बाउंड्री होना चाहिए, मिक्स हो जाना चाहिए, बीच में मिक्स लाइन देखना चाहिए. मतलब कि ऑरेंज ऐसा नहीं लगे कि ऑरेंज खत्म हो रहा है, यहां से येलो शुरू हो रहा है. मिक्स लाइक अगर ऐसे हमने ड्रॉ कर दिया है, लेट मी सी, वी हैव द टू कलर्स. इसको डीप कर दिया. It means if you are doing it, it will look better, give it better way. Got it? This color got it. And top left. Top सबसे top एक पतला सा green line दे देते हैं because it supports the agriculture, it contains the soil. Other parts light grey color. ग्रे कलर कहीं नहीं मिलता, उसमें ग्रे कलर होगा नहीं तो पेंसिल तो है नहीं. You have the pencil with you. उससे ड्रॉ कर दो. It means in this till now we have discussed what is the inside our earth, what is the structure of the earth inside the earth. It has not been measured, but we have tried. Our scientists, by studying the composition of the materials that have coming out, the rocks that has come out, that we have discussed. In the next class, simply we will discuss about the formation of rocks. There are three types of rock they are there. We will discuss the formation of rocks and uses of rocks. I do hope till now you have got it, what the structure of inside the earth. Now this lecture is finished. Thank you.